Hello, good day, everyone, including my subscribers. This is DC Trader here. Today, I'm just gonna discuss to you my review for today. This is September 23, Wednesday, and this is after the market. And I'm gonna discuss to you on what I think. And this review is just for educational purposes only. This is just all of my ideas, and the way I'm going to start my discussion here is basically let us take a look at the chart, and from the chart we will determine where are the most likely most of the buyers are, and as well as the sellers. Now in this particular area here, if you take a look at this, you know that there is a strong area where all the buyers are. So I marked this one down. And as you know, with this big candle starting from here, that's where I think most of the sellers are. So if you notice here, this particular candle, especially on August 19, going back down, and you notice that this particular how many days here, it never broke the low of August 4. So if you can see is that although this candle broke the low of this, but it never broke the low of this candle. So which means there is likely strong buyers in this area. Now if there are strong buyers, that's why the next day you feel that's a huge candle, right? And then of course the next day another huge candle. Unfortunately, since September 8th, it never broke higher on this level. So from there, let us count. It broke once, went up, tried to retest this area here, which is 6,035, never reached there. So let's make this one bigger. It never reached there, broke down. So that's where we are, broke down here. Now the issue is that it never went back to this area here. Now as long as it does not go below this area of 5,695.97, this particular area here, or even just this area here at 5,838, then you know this has a better chance of going above 6,033. That's the way I see it. Now in today's price action, starting from here, you got one, two, excuse me. Sorry about that. That was a short call there. So let's get back. So take a look at from here, right? The market. Take a look at this. This is the high point. First entry trying to go up. Never reached that high point. Went down again. Tried to go higher to this day. Could not. And now we are here. As long as it does not go below 5,839.25 tomorrow, and this goes higher and higher. So let's take a look at the 5-minute candle here. Look at that. So today, what happened in today's price action? Basically, it started up, went down, and went sideways. So this is the way they say, this is what you call consolidation, right? So let's hope tomorrow it goes as high as 5,900 and go straight. So that's where we are hoping for tomorrow. A good day. So let's see. All right. So the next stock is, I would like to thank my subscriber for choosing Merrimart. Now Merrimart is a very trending stock. So let us go to the daily of Merrimart. So the way I considered Merrimart is, let us first understand the beginning of Merrimart. See, the highest point of Merrimart was around 449 or near 450. Let's start from that. So it tried to go, basically it started from this area, then it jumped there. So let us start from here. Okay, so from here it went down once, went down, tried to go down, tried to go up, but never broke 362, this particular area. Then it went down again, straight for the whole month of July. Then it stopped here. So you know this particular candle where all the buyers are. This is where all the buyers are. So the buyers are hiding here, right? Because it never broke lower than this candle, so buyers are here. Another area where the buyers could be is this particular area. As you can see, it tried to go down but never broke this candle going down, so it went up again. So another area where all the buyers should be hiding is this area. Now the only issue with this particular area here is it broke down around September 2, but it never broke, this candle never broke lower than this candle. So you know there are strong buyers in this area, here and here. And today's price action says it very well. If you take a look at today's price action, look at that. See, today just all straight up, right? So the way my expectation for tomorrow on Merrimart, this may easily reach 326 and hope that it broke out, it will break out, and where the sellers are hiding here, this will break this seller's area here. That's what I think, because these are the locations where buyers are accumulating, right? And when they accumulate, sellers' location are not as many. If you take a look at this, sellers are sellers are definitely here. Sellers are definitely here. So, I mean, two areas where the sellers are there, and I would say if the sellers are not strong enough, and because if you were the buyer in this area, I doubted if you would take profit in this area. You want it to break out, right? And sellers here could be sweating, right? So let's see. Now let's go to BDO. Now for BDO, again, let us start from the start here. We have, let's take a look at on a bigger area. We know that this particular area is a big support. Although it broke down here, but this candle area here never broke this lower than this candle. So there is still a possibility where all the buyers are. So this could be buyers accumulating here and here, right? Sellers are hiding here and here. So let us see tomorrow if the buyers are strong enough, because if it never reach, okay, let's make this one bigger. Okay, so it's a little bit more clearer. So the way I see it, buyers are accumulating in this area, sellers are accumulating in this area. So this is quite of a tug of war here. So the way I see it is that as long as this is like a second entry, first entry, second entry, this area, if it breaks 90.79 tomorrow and stays there, oh my goodness, this has a big chance it's gonna go back to 93. as long as it does not break these certain levels here, these two levels here. So if we take a look at the 5-minute area, what happened? Okay. Although this does not really look so nice, because today it's just sideways, plain and simple sideways. Although it tried to break out, but it never broke higher than this. So that's about it. So I'm gonna do a part 2 of my review. So I'm only limited to 10 minutes. So see you on the next slide, or see you on the next video.